Hi, this is 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝘁𝘂𝗿𝗲𝘀. Let's do a Moody photo edit in Apple Photos. Like this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell icon for more videos, and give your valuable comments below. Let's get started. First, add your photos to Apple Photos. You need to do is just drag and drop. Select Edit. Now we are on the editing panel. Towards the right you can see the settings to change. And if you click on filters, there is a lot of preset filters. Here we are not using one. First of all, we can go to Lights panel. Let's adjust some settings in Lights panel. You guys can follow me. If you need, you can select auto, it do some correction on its own, but it's better to change yourself to bring a stunning looks. To reduce red eye, you need to select red eye option. And increase the brush size and just paint. Now go to curves. You can select a particular color, to brighter or dark that selected color. And there are different channels like red, green and blue, as well. Now I am making it a little darker, to get that moody looks. Decrease the levels if you need more darker image. Now change the hue, saturation and luminance of different colors in Color Mix panel. Now add a little noise reduction. If your photos need more touch-ups, you can still go for that filters again. Now you can crop your photos on crop panel. You can flip your photo if needed. There are different aspect ratios available. If you need to put your photos on Instagram, go for square option. Or in custom select 1:1. You can rotate as well. After completing, click Done and export your photo.